Rich from Ray Time. Today we're going to be making
slime
like we did on our other video.
Please.
We made fluffy slime, and Chantal's color of her slime was
Green.
and the color of my slime was
Blue.
And today, instead of doing those colors, today we're going to be making
Clear glue slime.
And also I forgot to tell you guys about my guest. Well, she's not really a guest because she's been on almost all of my videos. Her name is
Chantal.
And let's introduce you to all of our ingredients. So first, also, we have some
Balls.
4 clear glues
Magic liquid.
and some glitter. So let's start putting in the glue. Okay, so Chantal has 2 clear glues and I have 2 clear glues here. So let's put them in. Do you need help?
Yes, please.
3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Whoa.
This is already big, guys. And it's already filling up my bowl, even though I have a bigger one than Chantal.
Yeah.
So I think that's enough for now. And I think at the end, I'll add some more. I'm so excited, guys. So make sure to cover it so it doesn't spill.
Oh, okay.
I almost opened it from the wrong place, guys. So, on to my second one. Do you know how to open it?
I think so. There.
Okay. Okay, so while Chantal's doing that, let's both put it in. Do you hear that, guys?
Yeah.
There's
some bubbles.
Loads of bubbles in mine.
Me too. I think that's enough.
I think I'm just gonna keep it. I think I'm just gonna do this for this one because I want all of the glue to come down. Because I don't want to waste any of this,
still
guys.
a little bit.
Oops, daisy. So just fill it. I'm just waiting for the slime to come down because that's taking a long time.
Is there another one up here?
I don't think.
Let me just check. There is.
And there's some in here as well. But I have some glue in them, guys.
Come on. I feel like this. Ooh, there is.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes.
Or are you fine? Okay. I'll help you. Do you want to add some of your glitter now?
Yeah.
So guys, I want to add some gold because if you guys didn't know what my favorite color is, it's my favorite color. Personally, my favorite color is gold. I really like it because gold is very glittery and I really like the color. And so what's your favorite color?
Red.
I thought it was pink. Well, you guys can change your colors anyway. So I'm going to add some gold glitter. Chantal already put her in. Guys, look how satisfying this is.
Yeah.
Chantal, I think I'm gonna nearly add the whole thing.
Me too.
Because this glue is a lot. Like 2 bottles of glue.
Yeah. It's very hard to push.
You have to really use your muscles for this, guys. Whoa. It just made a full sound.
And guys, if you're at home and you can't open slime and glitter, then ask your mom.
Yeah, ask someone.
Or your auntie or your carers or other people.
ask anyone.
But now we're by ourselves. Oh. But luckily my sister's here with me because she can help me.
And I can help. And you can.
It's not.
This is my paper and this is Chantal's. I think I've nearly added the whole thing here.
Now So now I'm gonna add gold, guys.
Guys, and I'm also gonna mix mine to see what color it turns out because I want mine to be a good color. Whoa. I think I want some more color to this.
Okay. But I like the color of the
Thank you, Chantal, and I love your color too.
Thank you.
So I'm not sure if I'm ready to add some activator.
Okay, it's time. Yay!
Chantal's gonna mix hers now. Whoa, it looks so Christmassy. And I think that I'm gonna add some red. Maybe I'm gonna have the same color as Chantal. Maybe, but I think I'm just gonna.
Rachel. Ah, you made some of my hat. Okay, I think that's time.
I did a little bit of red because I thought it needed some more color to it. The red doesn't really show that much, guys, but I like the way my slime is. And I think I'm gonna add some.
I'm gonna add some blue.
And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of Chantal's gold.
Yeah, it's
glitter.
okay.
Thank you so much, Chantal.
You're welcome.
So I'm just gonna add a little bit just because it hurts. So I'm gonna add some around the edges. Ooh, Chantal, you nearly finished your gold glue. So I'm not gonna finish Chantal's. And let's mix
Because I think I need a bit of some gold.
Well, Chantal, your one is looking so colourful. I think I want mine colourful like Chantal. And do it, guys. In the comments down below, tell me whether I should add more colour. Or maybe not.
Can I add a little bit of gold, please?
It's yours.
Oh, thank
Mine is
you.
finished. See, guys, it's finished. So you can't get anything else. It's like my one. Oopsie daisy.
I think I need to add a little bit of green. I haven't added green yet.
So I think that I might need to add some colour in mine. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of green.
I think green's gonna turn out.
Oh.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna start mixing. I want to check what my slime is gonna be. I think I can see some pink.
It's so glittery, it's hurting my eyes. Guys, if you look at Chantal, it's so glittery.
Oh. I think I'm gonna keep this.
I think Chantal's gonna win. Oh, look at mine.
Oh.
Chantal, show them yours.
Right,
Guys, if you look at Chantal's, it's so glittery. I could.
I need red.
Red?
Yeah.
So you have two reds.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add some of this red because I think it might be more colorful. But I don't think I'm gonna need green. Okay.
Use green because it might turn out good.
Maybe that's a tip.
Wow.
I don't know, your one looks better.
No, I like the color gold of yours.
Your one is
Now I'm gonna use some more gold.
gold. Anything that has gold in it, I like.
Can I use your gold?
Oh yeah, it's finished. This is your gold.
Wait.
So should I help you?
Yeah. Let's go.
Mix it.
Now I'm gonna add some green.
Looking so
Two greens.
Two greens.
Yeah. I have it finished.
And I think I'm gonna I meant to add red. You know, it's worth it.
I need some blue now.
Oh, here you go.
Are you ready? So guys, now I'm gonna add some more green.
And now I'm gonna mix the red. So let's mix it. Whoa. I'm speechless. This is so beautiful.
So guys, now I'm gonna have to mix now.
Yeah, I think Chantel's one is the winner because it's so still all the way through.
Yeah.
But it's still looking really good.
Yeah.
You can't miss all of the parts.
Look
You
at
have to
how
get
mine
all
is so glittery.
Whoa.
I'm not. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna add some more red.
I'm gonna add
Red,
some
red,
more.
red, red, red.
I'm gonna add some more
Strawberry
blue.
red.
I'm gonna add some more blue.
Because that was so funny. I was just like this and it went like that was so funny. So I've added the red, all of the red actually.
I need to red.
Sorry. I think there was 2 reds. Oh yeah. The
Oh.
red here.
Thank you.
Let's finish. Sorry.
That's okay.
Now add some red here. Ooh, there's still
Whoa,
some red
you're
remaining.
strong.
I know.
Thank you, Rachel.
You're welcome. Oops. See? Guys, and in my introduction, if you haven't watched my first video, well, I said that I like being called Ray Ray. Chantal, would you like being called?
Shane Shane.
Shay Shay.
Guys,
That's a really nice
it's
name.
a weird name. Yeah, it's a weird name.
She likes being called Shay. I like to call her Ray Ray. Guys, and when you search up my name, Ray Ray Time Channel on YouTube, you'll probably get like other YouTubers. So,
With
just
the
to-
same name.
So, what I'm gonna tell you something right now is when you're looking for my YouTube channel, then you will see me waving here like this. So, you guys won't watch the wrong videos. So, let's just get back onto the slide.
So guys, now I am going to have to mix.
Chantel's is so cool, guys. I can't wait to add the
Yours is like-
alphabet.
Your slime is like at the bottom. And it's like so little.
Guys, if you look at the bottom, it looks like the beach.
Yeah.
Whoa,
With slime.
the beach.
I just had the bubble. Shall we
Add
add
the
this?
alphabet.
Okay.
Hopefully this activates.
Yeah, I think.
Add the whole bottle. No, add a little bit at a time.
I add a lot.
Don't worry. We added.
Oh, my one is activating. Look.
Mine is. Still need to activate that.
Yeah, me too.
But I'm not gonna add some activator yet. No more activator yet. Just because it's still sticky. Yeah, it's still sticky.
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
mine is still sticky. So let's keep on mixing. I think I need a little bit.
A little bit more activate. And we don't want to miss any of the edges, guys.
There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What happened? Since I had a little
Anyways.
accident. Oh, shit.
Uh-oh. Now let's keep on mixing.
I added the whole bottle. Since I added the whole bottle.
Why? I'm gonna add a little bit.
I think I overactivated my slime. You know what? Okay guys, so since we added 2 bottles of clear glue, I'm gonna add probably half of this bottle because I don't want to overactivate my slime.
Me too. I only added 1, a little bit.
So these bottles are really tiny. So obviously, mine is activating. It's a bit sticky, so I think I'm just gonna have to keep mixing so I don't want to make my hands dirty. So Chantal, is yours activating? Don't make
I think.
Add some more activator.
A lot.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my
Whole
god.
bottle. The whole bottle. Mix it, and it's gonna activate.
Yeah.
Mix it.
I love slime.
This man just went my eye. I'm fine, guys. I'm
It's
fine.
like jiggly.
Jiggly, wiggle.
Wiggle.
This slime. Well,
Look at my slime.
this slime
Okay.
is really activated. So I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more.
Me too. I'm going to my second bottle.
While you add some activator, it just makes a
be a crater.
Oh, it's not staying together. Isn't that activated?
I'm on to my second bottle.
Oh, it's just wet. It's activated, but it's not. But it's just wet. See? I think I just need to mix it more. And then I can go my. I think I'm going in my hands with my hand, guys. Okay, rolling up my sleeves.
Me too.
So I don't think one is ready. Now add some more activator.
A lot.
I think I needed it back. So just yep. It's just watery. So keep mixing yours. So I'm just trying to make mine stick together. And just keep mixing. Oh Lord.
I think my one is activated now.
Let me feel Chantel's. Right.
Yay!
A little bit more. Nearly. Oopsie daisy.
Actually, my slime is activated.
Let me feel yours. Going with your hands.
Can you put my sleeves up, please?
Since I think you don't need to put up your sleeves. Just play. Ooh, my slime is turning into slime.
Mine was just watery.
That one feels like a jellyfish.
Why would he?
Wiggly wobbly. Oh, my hands are hurting. Let's do the challenge. Last to stop playing with slime. So now you need to keep your slime up in the air, and the winner wins the battle of slime. The winner is the person that has the best slime. And so you can't put it in your bowl.
Alright.
And so when you're kneading stuff, you need to do this. And then stretch out. Chantel. I think I need more activator. So I'm just going to clean my hands. I don't know if this is going to work.
That was so
That shows that it's slime. Because it's coming
that
off
was
my
so
hand.
glittery.
And it looks green.
Yeah. It's okay.
The thing is,
even if you don't like the color of your slime, it's still activated.
What if my slime is stuck onto my left hand? Wiggly wobbly, wiggly wobbly. Oopsie. Guys, this is so Cool, guys. And whenever you make clear slime, it gets cloudy. So you're gonna have to wait for a few days for it to actually turn clear. Because all of the chemicals that I have inside of it, it has to like go down, and then your slime will actually become clear. It won't be cloudy like this. Oops,
Yeah.
easy. It's actually
Guys, make better slime than this.
It just came off my hand. So let me do this.
Can I feel yours?
See, it just comes off your hands automatically. This one is activated, guys. Let me help Chantel.
Baba is actually activated.
And so don't be scared to put the whole of your hand in it.
Okay, now here.
Hi, guys.
Rachel, look here.
You can't really hear. So mom has actually formed.
Are you sure?
But I don't think it's ready to put on the table yet. I think it just needs a little bit more activator. I don't know if I fit this line, guys.
Okay, I didn't make that.
Only a little bit, because your slime is perfect. Oops.
Perfecti.
Perfecto.
Perfecto.
So,
I think we need to wait for a few days and then
Days.
it'll turn out good.
yeah, it will go clear.
Yeah.
Oops.
Just like
Chantal, who's winning the challenge? I'm winning the challenge so far.
No, I am.
Because your slime is in the bowl. It's about to slide down my hand like this. You're not gonna dirty my hand. So they're coming out. Guys, let me stretch it again and then you'll probably see all of the glitter. So jiggly. So guys, can you see the glitter?
How does it stick to your hand?
It actually comes off your hand. Let me feel Chantel's. And I just keep playing with it in your hand. Chantel's one has actually formed.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the first time we've ever
Made real slime.
Because on our last video, we didn't actually use like proper Elmer's glue.
Yeah.
And if you guys want to
But
make this
we'll
at
do
home,
that again next time with good glue, the real glue.
this is the real glue.
Yeah. No, but pink, purple, blue, orange.
Yeah, those are going to be white glue, so it won't be clear. And mine is not sticky.
Are you sure? Okay.
Because of my hand.
W.
Double-dee-doo. Yeah, Shinto said, double-dee-doo. And if you guys...
How do you make a bubble?
Let me help Shinto first. But the thing is, I don't want it to stick on my hand. Guys, I'm just helping Chantel. I think you nearly overactivated your slime.
That was a feeling.
Hey, don't smell my slime! Look at Chantel. Chantel, do this so that they can see all of your glitter. Your beautiful slime.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now it's nearly turning like you.
Don't put it in my
Like the same color.
Mine is lighter than Chantel.
Oh, God, look.
Make sure it doesn't go on the table.
Guys, comment down below which one is the best slime.
If you think mine is better,
No.
vote Rachel.
I'm gonna put some on the edge.
So I think I'm just gonna try and tie up the table. But you know what? I'm just gonna keep playing with my slime. It's lazy. Oh, guys. If you guys want to make clear glue, then you can. but you're gonna have to order it,
Yeah.
or you can order it from anywhere if you want. But we
Like
got this from
Amazon.
Argos, anywhere. Which shop is closer to you?
But not food.
Food. And guys, look at this amazing texture of slime. Guys, come closer and you'll see. It's beautiful. Don't look at that stuff. Look at this amazing glitter called slime.
Look at.
Should I adding some more blue glitter?
Yeah, because I want it to be blue.
Guys, I'm just gonna show you one more time.
Was there any blue?
Whoa, I'm just gonna try.
Guys, I'm adding glue
So
everywhere
guys-
by slime.
So guys, I think
So
we're
that
gonna need
it'll-
to round up.
Yeah.
So, Shinto, just mix that in quickly. I'll close this for. The little Ninja Turtle slime. You're so cheeky, right? You're so cheeky.
It's started blue. No, add some more cheesy.
Can-
I mean, Rachel, add some more. I mean, Ray, add some more.
Wait. Oh my god. I don't think we'll be able to get out now, class. I'm sorry. So, we're gonna need to round up.
Yeah.
My voice.
Your voice.
No! Shut up. So guys, I think this is the end of the video.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye
Smash that
guys!
like button.
Smash that like
button.
button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment something nice in the comment section below and vote for me.
Anyways, guys.
See ya guys!